Hello, my name is Aldo Morales Quipo. I am a student at Continental University. I study environmental engineers. I have a busy daily routine. I love hours up very early in the morning. I have Belfast and Del where of my farm at 7 a.m. I work until midday. After that, I go back home and have lunch. I also bring fortune out my finny pigs. After lunch, I sometimes take a short nap for about 30 minutes. Then I study the no topics for my virtual classes. In the evening, I have dinner and my classes start. They usually finish at 11 p.m. I often study and work every day because I want to be a good professional. I love eating that is non food. My dishes are chicharron and chicken soups. I lunch eating healthy food, but I sometimes in picnic. Uh, I don't lunch drinking too much soda. I cleaning out of natural drinks. For breakfast, I usually eat some bread and an egg. For lunch, I eat some rice, some meat, and baked vegetables. For dinner, I sometimes have a soup or light milk. At you how have some food, but we don't have any good food. Frequency and daily activities. I always wake up early. I usually early in the morning. I often study in the afternoon. I stomach take a nap. I never miss my virtual classes. My family's house is in the country days. My parents far in very important to us. The animals food is prepared every day. My hobby is traveling. I love visiting new places. Sotma- Sometimes I go on trips with planning. I like exploring different places and bare nature.